Hello everyone. Today, we will learn detailed techniques for painting birds in gouache. When painting birds, it's important to capture not only their form and movement but also the texture of their feathers, color transitions, and lighting effects. Mastering these details will make your artwork more vivid and lifelike. Step 1. Sketching and composition. Before starting, determine the bird's posture and composition. The bird can be standing, flying, or preening its feathers. Choosing a dynamic pose will make the painting more expressive. Lightly sketch the basic outline with a pencil or a gouache brush, paying attention to the proportions of the head, wings, and tail to maintain a natural and balanced look. Step 2. Laying the base colors. Gouache painting follows a process from general to specific. So start by blocking in the base colors with a large brush. For example, a red parrot can begin with different shades of red, while a kingfisher may have a base of blue-green hues. Leave some lighter areas unpainted for highlights to avoid overloading the painting with dark tones too early. Step 3. Building feather texture and layers. Depicting feathers is a crucial part of painting birds. Use varied brushstrokes and color layering to create realistic textures. Soft feathers such as on the chest and belly. Use a slightly wet brush to blend colors smoothly for a soft transition. Stiff feathers such as on the wings and tail. Use a dry brush to make quick, directional strokes, capturing the natural layering of the feathers. Highlighted areas of the feathers can be enhanced with lighter colors, like white or pale yellow, to add shine and depth. Step 4. Detailing the eyes and beak. The bird's eyes bring life to the painting. Outline them with black or dark brown, and always leave a small bright white highlight to make them look lively and expressive. For the beak, observe the light source and use highlights and shadows to create a sense of three-dimensionality. Step 5. Adjusting light, shadow, and overall tone. Once the feathers and facial details are completed, adjust the overall light and shadow to enhance the bird's three-dimensional form. Deepen the shadowed areas to create contrast, and use background colors to refine the bird's silhouette, adding depth and balance to the composition. The key to painting birds in gouache lies in dynamic composition, feather layering, eye detailing, and light shadow adjustments. When painting, be mindful of different feather textures and combine wet and dry techniques for a more natural result. Keep practicing, and you'll create beautiful, lively bird paintings. That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you, everyone.